it is very well said that you do not drown when you fall into the water. You only drown when you stay there and do nothing. When we are with our best version, rising is to improve the versions. Just any computer, any technology, it keeps on improving and improving, right? And if it is fixed with the idea that no, this year whatever we have created or we have invented, that is the best and there can be nothing best than that. And you know that inventor is in that position that nothing beyond this can happen and does not want to come out of its comfort zone, then it can never step into the next version of its life. We also need to go beyond the version, keep on improving into the better versions of our life. And therefore not have a fixed ideology in our mindset, a fixed mindset that whatever we have been doing up till now, we will only be focused on that. I have been listening to people saying that because of this corona, how can we think of stepping into some new avenues? We cannot take that risk now because of the corona. So we are just focused in our local areas and doing everything in the local, So because of this fixed attitude, it's like if you think the way you've always thought, you will do what you have always done. And if you do what you have always done, you will get what you have always got. And then you are staying there itself and then you are blaming the situations around. So we need to come out of our comfort zone, tap into our inner potentiality. So let's start doing that. We want trust, that others trust us. Let's start trusting them. I remember this example before we start the meditation. I remember this example of Warren Buffett. This Warren Buffett, what did he do? He had to acquire McLean Distribution from Walmart, $23 million company. And this merger, this size of this merger, it takes more than months to 6 months, maybe even more than that. But it was just 2-hour meeting to make the deal, and just within a month, the deal was completed. And in 2004, in his annual report, in his management letter, Warren Buffett wrote that why did it happen? Just less than a month, the deal closed because of the high trust between both of us, the Walmart and the CEO of this Berkshire Hathaway, which Warren Buffett was. So high trust between both of these companies, high trust between both of these leaders. The speed of the deal was high. And he said that we did not give time to due diligence because of the high trust. And therefore we saved on the expenditure, on the cost of paying to the attorneys, paying to all the auditors, paying to all these other people who are to verify every detailed information. We cut on those costs also. So it is this trust which is, we have learned a lesson that will make us rise. Trust in ourselves, trust in the God, and trust in each other. That because we are in an interdependent world, right? And that can happen only when we are independent of whatever is happening outside and dependent on inside. Dependent on inside.